Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, quick deposits at Regions Bank. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why is it important to make quick deposits? Well, for starters, it can help you stay on top of your finances. When you deposit your money promptly, you can keep track of your income and expenses more easily. This can help you avoid overspending and make sure that you have enough money to cover your bills. Additionally, making quick deposits can also help you earn more interest on your money. The longer your money stays in your account, the more interest it will earn. So, by depositing your money as soon as possible, you can maximize your earnings potential. Now that we've covered the benefits of making quick deposits, let's talk about how you can do it at Regions Bank. There are a few different ways to make a quick deposit at Regions Bank. One option is to use the Regions mobile app. With the app, you can simply take a picture of your check and deposit it directly into your account. This is a convenient way to make deposits on the go. Another option is to use Regions' online banking platform. With online banking, you can make deposits by transferring funds from another account or by using a debit card. This is a great option if you don't have access to the mobile app or if you prefer to manage your finances online. Finally, you can also make a quick deposit at a Regions Bank branch. Simply visit your local branch and speak to a teller. They will be able to help you make a deposit quickly and easily. No matter which method you choose, making quick deposits at Regions Bank is easy and convenient. By taking advantage of these options, you can stay on top of your finances and earn more interest on your money. So, what are you waiting for? Start making quick deposits at Regions Bank today. In addition to the information I've already shared, I would also like to add that Regions Bank offers a number of other features that can help you manage your finances more effectively. For example, Regions offers a variety of checking and savings accounts to choose from, as well as a number of investment and lending products. Regions also has a strong commitment to customer service. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to a customer service representative. Overall, I believe that Regions Bank is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a bank that offers a variety of products and services, as well as excellent customer service. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about quick deposits at Regions Bank. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance topics. Until next time, take care.